9. One more away from 1,000.
Oop. You don't
1,000.
need my... It was there. It is there. Let's go.
It will go probably down to 999 right now. Either way, thank you guys for support. I want to also thank the Walking Dead community, because a lot of those people helped me a lot in the recent past weeks, and we got the massive push because of them. So thank you to all the developers from the Walking Dead game. We will be having like multiple new series coming up. Also, this is just like live happening. I was not expecting it to happen this soon. There will be more special videos coming up in the next 2 weeks for 1,000. So stay tuned on the channel. If you're too late for the 1,000, subscribe so we can go up, and we will see each other like in the next few videos. So we'll stay here for a couple more minutes.